What's up,
teen
YouTube?
rated?
Yeah, we're teen rated.
Oh,
this
man.
is Tyler and Jesse. We're out here doing some fishing. We were gonna fish Canyon Lake today, but we weren't allowed to enter because
people.
apparently we didn't get called in, which we did. So now we're just out here trying to fish Temecula Creek, just making do with what we got. Never really fished here, just heard it's okay, so we're gonna give it a shot. Have fun watching our video. Oh. Dude, he swam away and then it like slowly fell down. He's like, fuck it, and came back for it. All right. Little dude. Just throwing it like a little swim bait. You could probably do this with a small hook and that little curly tail. Finally! There we go. I found this bait, dude. Skunk be gone. Tiny little dude. Throwing this thing like a swim bait. All right, we got the chatterbait fish. Ooh, let's go, baby. I thought he was a moss hit, so I didn't have the video on. Oh, that's a fat baby. Let's go. Dude, he was right on the moss line. That's why I thought it was a moss hit. Bro.
It was a fish, bro. I saw him hit the surface.
Can you give me a picture of? You can just let it sink, it'll be fine. Nice little dude.
Numero fatty.
Alright, so today kind of turned out to be a bust for Jesse.
Yeah, I mean, I don't always catch fish, but when I don't, it's usually here.
Yeah, he never has good luck here. I usually catch decent fish, but we started off really slow, so I kind of switched to micro fishing. So did he. We didn't even really have good luck doing that. I only got 3 little fish, and then I decided to throw the chatterbait a couple times. Pulled out a decent creek bass, probably 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Overall, average morning, considering we were supposed to go fish Canyon Lake, which has really nice bass fishing. But we made it happen, pulled some fish out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.